Morning, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back in the Maryland office of Natural Transplants, and we have Patricia here this morning. Patricia, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
Doing all right?
Yes.
A little nervous this morning?
No.
Not too bad? Okay, good. All right, so we have Patricia, you're coming in from Ohio, is
Yes.
that right? Okay. If you wouldn't mind just giving us a quick update of sort of what brought you here and what you're looking for today.
I just got my first job and I have traction alopecia, so
Yeah.
I want to get it done before my life starts.
Congratulations on the first job.
Thank
So I'm
you.
going to have you zoom in real quick, Kenzie. So as you can see, and this is kind of mild to moderate. Obviously, we have a lot of women with much more significant loss, but it's still meaningful and can create problems and restrict some hairstyles that you want done, especially ponytails. That's what we always hear, right? You have fantastic density, and so we're going to draw everything out, do a little bit of shaving,
Okay.
and then come back, and we'll check in with you after we do that before we get to the other room.
Okay.
Sound good? Appreciate you doing this for everybody. That's awesome.
Thank you.
All right, we'll check in a little bit later. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, everybody. We are back with Patricia, and we've drawn, as you can see, we have drawn out all the lines here. Have you kind of come in, and we just replaced where the hairline was, and obviously it's going to be much more subtle than this when it grows in. So this is much more dramatic than what it's going to appear. But we should easily be able to kind of cover, probably do 1 finger width on the top, and we can get about 2 fingers on the side. And then we have excellent density. She's got great density in the back. And so we drew out our little donor strip that we're going to take. Fantastic hair. Wish we could fast forward 6 months or a year and see the results, but the waiting oftentimes is the hardest part. All right. How you feel?
Good.
Doing all right? So we took a half a Valium. We're ready to go to the other room.
Yes.
Get going. You excited?
Yes, I
Good.
am.
Excellent. You too. All right. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, everybody. We are back with Patricia, and you made it. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
So a year from now, it'll be your edge-anniversary day. You'll come back, and we'll take pictures on party.
Yes.
But you did fantastic. We did a great job today. I'm really happy with the way it went. I really like the line. I think it looks really good on your face and kind of outlines your face and frames your face really well. I have Ron come in real quick, and you can see we put all the graphs. I really like what it's going to do for your face and reframing it. I think it's going to look really good. And then just spin it around a little bit, show off the incision. Whoop. The incision looks really nice too. And that, once that heals, you're never going to see that. You can see that all the way around. And you did great. How do you feel?
It's
Overall,
fine.
how was the day?
It was good. It was
Yeah.
nice and short.
Nice and short. Shorter than you thought.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. Any words of advice to anybody kind of thinking about it? Maybe not.
Yeah, you should
Your
do
experience
it.
with Yeah.
Yeah.
You happy that you pulled the trigger and finally did it? Huh?
Yes.
Good.
It's
Excellent.
worth it.
Good. Awesome. Well, good luck to you. We'll be checking with you. Like I
Okay.
said, I'll call you tomorrow. And then we always follow up with you at like 4 months, 9 months, and a year just to kind of get some feedback. Hopefully we
Okay.
can get some pictures and maybe videos or something
Okay.
from you.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. All
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Well, thank you for doing this, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Patricia. All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.